4 of them. David Spunt was following all of that, is following all of this, gives us the latest. David.
Hi, Neil. What we just witnessed is literally the transfer of power between outgoing, now retired Justice Stephen Breyer and the newest justice on the Supreme Court, Associate Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson. A win for the Biden administration on the immigration front, a loss on the environmental front, dealing with power plants, also the Environmental Protection Agency, how much power goes there. The first is a loss to the Biden administration. The Supreme Court, in the ruling today, the first ruling ruled 6-3, the EPA does not have the power to unilaterally cap emissions from power plants. This case was out of West Virginia. It's a blow to the EPA's enforcement authority and the president's climate agenda. Neil, but this case goes far beyond the EPA. It puts into question the power of other federal agencies. Think about workplace safety like OSHA, also vaccine mandates, mask mandates. The administration believed the Clean Air Act, which the Supreme Court has affirmed time again, would be the reason the justices would keep things status quo. They did not. The other ruling was a win for the Biden administration, a 5-4 ruling with Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Brett Kavanaugh siding with the liberal justices to get rid of that controversial Remain in Mexico policy put forward in 2019 by the Trump administration. It forced certain migrants to wait in Mexico until their court dates were set in the United States. It was a mechanism, Neil, to delay some of the influx of migrants into the United States.
Disappointed in the decision today that Roberts and another one of the conservative justices sided with the liberals on this. This is devastating for the state of Texas and the United States of America.
I reached out, but no comment from Attorney General Merrick Garland on this. The Attorney General and Department of Justice oversees the immigration courts. Neil, these immigration courts, I spoke to a retired judge of the immigration court system. She tells me they are backed up 3, 4, in some cases, 5 years for people just to go to their first hearing. Neil.
And now they can be here as they wait that process out. David Spunt, thank you